Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Grow with Visha. In today's video, we are going to compare Nano Banana 2 with Nano Banana Pro as I promised in the first video. So without any delay, let's start now. I am in the free pick spaces field here, and I'm going to leave the link down below so you can also explore all this stuff with the prompts. You just need a free pick account and you can explore the spaces as well. So let's start with the first image here. As you guys can see here, I have a ultra realistic high fashion editorial portrait of a young blonde woman standing closely beside a white horse in pale desert. Now as you guys can see here, if I zoom in here, this is a Nano Banana 2 result and this is a Nano Banana Pro. So left will be your Nano Banana 2 and right will be your Nano Banana Pro result. If I click here and if I expand this image, you can see the details in the dress and the embroideries are really looking good compared to Nano Banana Pro, and the skin realism is also looking nice. And if I compare it with Nano Banana Pro, you can see it's kind of a cinematic result, a color grading, a desaturated effect that I mentioned here is applied. You can see I have written cool desaturated color grading, and here you can see that cool desaturated color grading, and here it is not that much visible. So according to me, when you are going for cinematic results, Nano Banana 2 is not that much good compared to Nano Banana Pro, but as you guys can see, the details on the embroidery work of the dress is looking really good, and you can see here this is a nice result. This is definitely good result, but here you can see the lady is not touching the horse because we have mentioned it here. So this is just a one generation that I have generated here. It's just one time. You can go for multiple generations and get the desired look, but I just wanted to test it out that how we get in the first generation itself. Now when I go to second image, the results becomes interesting here. Why? Because you can see now we have a cinematic frame. So as I told you, upper one is first one is always Nano Banana 2 and second one is always Nano Banana Pro. So you can see the difference clearly here. We are getting that anamorphic lens effect here in the Google Nano Banana Pro, but in Nano Banana 2 we are not getting that much good result. It looks like a movie scene but not that good scene compared to Nano Banana Pro. And here you can see ultra cinematic dark fantasy portrait in 2:39 ratio widescreen ratio of young blonde woman in a 3/4 back post turning over her left shoulder. So this is basically following really good, but here it is not that much good when we see here a full frame 105 mm lens at f aperture 1.8. So you can see this is looking nice, and you can again see the desaturated skin tones, cool monochromatic blue. Here it feels real. Here it doesn't feel that much real. It feels synthetic here. But if I compare this image, if I open this image for you guys, you can see this is the image which is looking really good compared to Nano Banana 2. Here you can see it's not looking that much great. It looks like kind of a cutout effect if you see closely. And here you can see the frame is blended really well. Now let's move to third image. This is basically a simple prompt that I have tried here. A medieval knight kneeling in a cathedral, intricate gothic architecture towering above. So you can see the detail and hyper detailed texture, the atmospheric haze, low angle cinematic perspective. So you can see we have this low angle cinematic perspective, but right now the composition doesn't look that much cinematic. And here it feels cinematic because you can see the rays are directly coming here. You can see the glow effect here. Here you can see we don't have that much glow here appearing because this is not that much cinematic. So again, according to me, if you are going for cinematic shots, I would prefer Google Nano Banana Pro. But if you are going for like editorial shoots or something like that, you can definitely go with Google Nano Banana 2. Again, let's move forward here. So this is what I have generated. This is now a 4 grid system. You can see first scene, second scene, third scene and fourth scene. Here is the prompt. Again, I will link the spaces link in the description. You can definitely check it out and you will get the idea what prompt I have written, because it's a really long prompt and I don't want the video to be that much long. But let's just compare here. The girl, just by looking at the image, let's see what's happening. So girl is looking in the box. There is some liquid here. You can see here and here as well. Okay, again, this is Nano Banana 2 and this is Nano Banana Pro. So you can see the girl basically is having the hand in her mouth, a liquid hand. But again, we cannot see the liquid here. Here we can definitely see the liquid. So you can see the liquid hand, the hand is coming out of that liquid which we saw here. Then you can see it's coming basically towards the girl's eyes as well. So you can see that here as well. And here is the last shot. You can see that this is basically upwards and this is downwards. This is basically eye level, because it's eye level, it is not looking that much creepy. But here you can see it's looking creepy because it is feeling that okay, this is superior and this is not that much superior. And the last shot is this one. So if I show you here as well, you can see this is the last shot, when the nail comes into the eyes of the girl. And here you can clearly see this is the winner, because you can see it's scratching the eye, and due to that her tears are coming out. And the character consistency in both are looking great. You can see we have this character consistency here and here as well. So again, I would say Nano Banana Pro is the winner here. Let's move forward here. Again, I have this. Now I really like the result of the Nano Banana 2 here. Why I would tell you that? Because I specifically mentioned that I want basically a fashion aesthetic and Nike here. And you can see, we can clearly see the Nike logo here as well, Nike here as well. And here we don't see that much, because if I zoom in here, let me just zoom in here for you guys. You can see we cannot see the Nike branding here, but here we can see that. But again, the cinematic look and feel, the anamorphic lens effect, the lens flare here feels much better. So I can definitely regenerate it out, and I can do the regeneration and have that Nike here, or I can just attach a reference and do that thing here. So again, you can see, according to me, this doesn't feel that much cinematic compared to this result. So again, these are all cinematic shots, bokeh effect, aperture of 2.2, 2.8, and a grid system. And the character consistency you see are basically really good here. Here again, you can see we don't have that coat here. Here we can see the coat, the jacket that she is wearing. Here you cannot see the jacket. So again, this is just the first generation, guys. I am not generating like 2 to 3 times. This is just one generation, and I am just comparing it with that. And you can see here also we have that beautiful medium close-up. Here we can see it's medium, kind of medium close-up, but we are not getting that much because we are seeing here, and we are not focusing on the subject here. So this is a really nice result. Again, let's just move forward here. And again, here you can see we only have one leg, and one leg is here. So again, it doesn't feel right. And here it feels that, okay, she's walking forward. And this is the last one that we are doing here. Again, I like the Nano Banana 2 result here compared to Nano Banana Pro, because the reason I tell you, the skin realism is really good compared to Nano Banana Pro. So if you are going for, as I told earlier, editorial photo shoot, UGC advertisements, product, you can definitely go for Nano Banana 2. But if you're going for cinematic shots and that realism, extra realism for your cinema shots, or like depth of field and all that stuff, you can go for what we say Nano Banana Pro. So let me just open here again. And you can see the eyeglasses are looking nice. The reflections we can see here. The sweat is going on here. We can see the Nike logo here. So this is looking nice. The frame is looking nice. And here again, we can see this is also looking nice. The tilted head movement. We can again clearly see the Nike logo. And this is just one generation, guys. So you can definitely decide which is looking nice. So according to me, this is the winner here, which is Nano Banana 2. So again, I will tell that it totally depends on your scene here. But I found out that when we go for cinematic scenes like this, Nano Banana Pro is clearly a winner. But if you are going for a editorial shoot or photography kind of thing, or product visualization kind of thing, I found that Nano Banana 2 is really good. Again, I'm going to do much more research about this. And for that, you can follow my Instagram page and my X handle as well, because I share all the comparisons and all of that stuff in there. So you can definitely check that out. I will leave all the links in the description below. Go check them out, and do follow me if you like this kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you next time. If you like this video, please press that like button. Share it with your friends who wants to learn AI. Subscribe to my channel.